Good afternoon. Please don't walk in the orchard. It's been treated, but take your picture. Okay. Hi.
So, berry picking. Kasi in one ganon branch.
Pwede na po doon.
Hindi. Sobra sarap. And I can eat as much as I want. Ito yung pwede i-read ang
Sa field.
nikaon ko at mas naman ko ba?
Kaya na sigurong red na.
Nice, I wanna try. Oh wow.
Na.
And then we'll have some golden raspberries, black raspberries, and blackberries.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you come in, ask if there any.
Baby peach. Cherry.
Forbidden fruit yan. Pwede.
Sobrang ano pa? Red. Bright red. Parang nasa amin lang to. Hi! Tig-isa pala silang ano. Gala-gala, besh! Gila-gala. So, ito yung parang grocery nila. Ay, payatot tayo lahat.
Si Ate Jackie lang yung sexy.
Reference to